What's up, guys? Welcome. This is day 2 of the challenge. I'm just gonna go over what I put in here, real fast because this was almost a 20 something percent play, and we locked it in on the small account, and I made a killing on my big account. We're not gonna go into the big account because this isn't a big account challenge. This is the small account challenge, but just know where I started. It was in the thumbnail. I'm about $1,000, and you guys can do the math of where we're at now, and I'll post it hopefully at the end of the week because I'll be on a plane on Friday. So with that being said, Roku of course is going to be the big play. Let's go over Facebook first real fast, and this was just almost like a scalp. I only went in with 2 contracts in the small account, so it didn't cost me very much at all. As you can see, we would still technically be up, but I was entering in here in anticipation of this. So that's what I will do a lot of the times. I will be, as soon as it breaks this little high, I'll get in anticipation of this. And then I was selling in here as soon as it broke that because I didn't know exactly how high that went. That's just a quick little scalp trade. Made a little bit of money. I'm not sure what percentage on that one. This one was the play that I was really happy with. You guys know we bought puts yesterday on Roku and made some money. I missed out on the big move. I think I nailed the big move today. As you can see, we were down again. It just instantly broke through this. I called it in my Discord here. Let's see if I can not brag it up a little bit. I guess I am bragging because I did call this pretty well. I called this right here was the resistance that I wanted it at. Well, this was my risk because that's really where I was buying in at. As you can see, I wanted it to be as close to that resistance as I can. And you can see my resistance line right here. I waited for this candle. I was buying my puts up in here. Literally, this is like one of the only times I nail this top because I figured it would go up a little bit above it and then my risk would be right around in here. But that didn't happen. I was pretty grateful. But instead, you guys can see this. You guys can read that. You guys can pause it if you wanted to read that. Those were all my alerts today. As you can see, as soon as we bought in here, it did come back down. It tried to come back up a little bit, but we were okay. I was down. I was never down actually any money at all. I thought about locking in profits in here. As you can see, I did actually lock in a little bit on my big account at around 154 because I didn't know 100%. On my small account, I was letting this run because my risk was here on my small account. On a small account, yes, I hit a single yesterday, but I just felt like this was an A+ setup, and that's what you're looking for. If you're gonna let something run, you're gonna size in, let it be an A+ setup. Don't let it be a C or a D setup, and then when you let it run, you're risking way more than what you should. It's not a great setup, so on and so forth, and I teach that. So with this one, I was taking profits in here with my big account, and then I let 5 contracts run until I literally took profits on both of these right in here at around 150, guys. That was an absolutely killer play. I wasn't just sitting here looking. I didn't think it was going to go this far. I was thinking around in here where I was taking profits around this wick, around the 150 area, and that's where I was taking profits, guys. So what a play by Roku. Super easy. I know that's 2 plays on Roku, play on Facebook. But if Roku's hot for me and I'm able to keep making money on Roku, I'll probably keep looking for Roku for those A+ setups. But it's got to be an A+ setup for me to size in, especially on the small account. But with that being said, guys, I just want to keep that super short, sweet. Hey, money's sweet. So with that being said, guys, thank you all for watching. If you got any questions at all about this small account challenge or how we did this at all, leave a comment below. I'd be more than happy to help you out. Other than that, guys, I will see you guys in tomorrow's